Hey guys, watch this.
It did not go through. Wow. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and we're down in front of the Ohio River.
And it's frozen almost all the way.
Maybe
almost,
like
about
80.
halfway. And then there's a little clearance where there's some water going, and then it's frozen on the other side.
And we have a truck to drive across as far as we can get.
Yeah, a subscriber messaged us today and said, hey, you guys should bring a little truck down here and see if it can go on the river. We fully expect to lose this whole setup, except hopefully not our drone.
Right, let's have a little fun with the frozen Ohio River.
Oh my gosh, this is so sketchy.
This is awesome.
Are you ready?
I'm flying the drone, Abby's on the truck.
You got me?
I got you. I got you.
Oh my gosh.
You got this.
Come on.
I don't think the Spark likes flying over ice.
Probably doesn't. I don't know what gear I'm in.
I don't know either. Hang on, let me back up some. I do not have you on camera. There you are. Nice.
Oh, I heard it crack. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's this big crack right here. Can you see it on the Spark?
Yeah.
Will it make it over that? What way should I go?
I just go straight across.
Should I gun it?
It's this huge crack right here.
Oh
You
no.
got this, you got this.
What if I get stuck? What if I'm stuck?
I can help, like, maybe push a little.
I'm stuck!
No, I can't. Try to shift gears.
I forgot how to do that.
The button there on the side. That's very anticlimactic to get stuck there. Oh, good. Okay, you were doing it,
I'm stuck again. Oh my gosh.
No.
Here, I'm gonna get a rock. Can I throw a rock at it? Wait. It's not gonna be able to make it over that.
You're gonna have to give it some speed and just go for it when we get it out. Well, this is anticlimactic. You're gonna have to like nudge a rock at it. But the rock could like bust a few.
I know.
Keep trying.
Oh my gosh. I told him we should put squeeze on the tire. It can't go over that stuff.
Okay, here we go. You're gonna, if you have speed, it'll go. Let's try this. Are you ready? Are you giving it forward?
You missed! You put a rock in front of it!
I see that. Let's see.
I should have thrown it. Let me do it. Go get it.
Okay. Well, we may just have to fly the Spark around a little bit for fun while she's trying to get unstuck.
You put a rock in front of me. How am I supposed to get out now?
Hit it hard.
Oh my
I'm just
gosh.
flying around getting some footage.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll face down here. Okay, go for it. Good luck. Oh, you got it. Go. Back up. All the way. And then go to the
never gonna make
go
it
to the
back.
left. Go to the see the left there, it's a little flatter. Yeah, go
What
that
if I
way.
never make it back?
It's okay.
If it goes all the way out there and gets stuck. This is all for nothing.
Go.
Oh no!
You got it. Okay, now stay out on the flat stuff.
Oh my God.
That looks so crazy. It looks like you're on water.
Can I go?
You can go. I'm gonna chase you a little bit.
Come lower.
I
Way
am.
too high.
My poor Spark battery's almost dead because
Hurry,
it's so cold.
get low.
I'm going.
Get really close.
All right,
Really
go,
close
go.
to the truck.
Look at you go.
Should I put it in low gear now?
Yeah, low gear. It'll give you a little better traction.
Or not?
Go explore a little bit. Get out there. We got to see this.
How far?
Like to the second line.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, it might get stuck. You're right. Well, go down that way a little bit because you can see it's still really flat. Because we'll never be able to do this again, probably. This is so awesome.
Is it good right there?
Yeah, look, watch. You can see. Look on the drone. See?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I thought I heard it crack.
It might have.
Oh my gosh. If this goes through, you best be having the camera on it.
Oh yeah. My drone, it's not super stable right now.
It's so
It does
crazy.
not like being over ice.
That looks scary right there. Some of it just
that might
look...
be thin right there. It kind of looks a little bit on the thin side.
It's like the signal cut out for a second.
You may want to just kind of creep back a little bit. And before the drone battery dies, I want to get some cool shots.
I'm under you, are you getting me?
Yeah, I see you.
Focus. You want to get shots of what?
Like the river that's frozen.
So should I come back?
You can try. Yeah. Look at you go. Guys, if you want to check out either one of the RCs that we're messing around with, we'll have them linked in the description box below. It looks like I'm under the bridges. I'm pretty close to you now.
Oh, I see you.
With only 48% battery left, I really want to kind of explore a little bit.
Okay, go ahead. Should I just stay right here?
Sure, I can pop another battery in.
And then you can film me with that if you want.
Yeah. I just wanted to get a higher shot of everything because we've never seen the river frozen like this, and we've lived here about 5-6 years.
Oh my gosh.
It does not like flying over ice. It really...
Can I see where the water's running in the middle?
Yeah, in the middle.
You can see it.
I think over here on the right side a little, you can kind of see where it looks like it's almost frozen.
Oh
like
yeah,
the whole
it's
way.
almost.
That's crazy. Years and years ago,
fun.
the river was frozen enough that you could actually walk all the way across.
Yeah, my granny, my mom's mom, actually walked clear across the Ohio River down here in Chesapeake is what it was, but we're in Ashland.
Look at that, with the bridges. So cool. It's at 40% battery, so I'm going to bring it back and pop a new battery in because this was really short-lived. Okay, here we go. I'm going to land. And Abby, you just play around with the truck a little bit while
I don't want the
putting
battery
a
in
new
the truck
battery
to
in.
die. You said that the battery wasn't.
It's not a full charge, no.
I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get this back.
Okay, new battery, new battery.
Oh my gosh. I want to angle the camera on the truck down.
Okay, then you're going to have to bring it in.
I know. Here we go.
Look, you got to hit those flatter spots.
Uh-oh.
Is it dead?
I think the battery's dying.
Oh no. Well, it's time to bring it in.
Oh my gosh, Nathan.
That would stink if it died right there.
It's dead.
Oh,
The battery
no.
is dying.
She is right there when we think the battery's dead.
Battery's dead!
So,
Nathan, what do I do?
we need a bigger truck to come out and push that off of there. That's the only way
Yeah,
we're
you
going to
can
get
see
that
like
back.
the steering servo like as you respond.
Yeah, we need one of us to go home.
I don't want to stay down here.
Well, then I will.
Are you kidding me?
It's the only way
Are
we're
you
going to get back.
kidding me? Alright, we've got some search and rescue going.
Listen to that ice. You can hear it moving and cracking. Listen to it.
Oh,
Oh my
man.
gosh, look, you can see the waves under the ice. Wow, that's
Oh my
cool.
gosh, bye truck. You can see it
Yeah, I
moving.
know.
Can you see it on the drone? You can see the whole thing move. That's
know.
crazy.
I don't think so, not on the drone, but you can see the waves under the ice. Listen to it.
That is crazy.
Yeah. All right, we gotta make sure that's tied well.
Oh my gosh, my truck.
It might be going in. I can see the crack there. It's right on that seam too. So hold on, let me see.
I've never thrown a rope before.
It's okay.
What I'm doing.
Okay, I got this in, so I will step on it with 2 feet, make sure it doesn't go in. Okay, see if you can hook it.
No,
Farther and farther.
Nope, okay.
Closer.
There's law enforcement.
Oh, it's okay. He'll probably
I think
ask
he's
this one.
filming.
You got this? You got this. Oh, it busted through. Uh-oh, there we go. Oh, too far, but that was a good throw.
There's no way I'm gonna get this with rope. There's
Oh no, my
way.
phone just died. I gotta land. My phone died. Nice throw,
So,
good
see,
try.
the hook's getting
That looked
stuck.
awesome on the camera. Let me give it a shot.
Nope.
Let's see. Almost.
Oh!
Gotta make sure it's hooked.
Come on! Oh! No! No! I didn't get it!
Didn't get it. Nope. Sitting pretty. There, good. That's what I need.
You need to go the other way. Ah.
No, that's kind of good.
Okay, yeah, it's on the tire. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, baby. Come on. Slow and safe. You got it. You got it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What if that camera has been recording that whole time? I really doubt it.
Hope so.
Oh my
It
gosh.
hooked too. See, it actually hooked on the bottom, which is what we needed. Camera, are you still on? Still going.
No way.
Yeah. Nice.
That's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's
that
get
was
out of here before we
crazy.
lose anything
I
else.
know.
I can't believe the battery died the last minute like that.
Right when we were going
Awful.
over the worst part.
That was a lot of fun.
So funny.
Now remember, never walk out on any frozen water, especially without parental guidance or if you know 1000% sure that it's frozen. Abby and I, the reason we threw the rope at that, we probably could have walked out there, but we definitely don't want to risk it because you could lose your life doing that. So never go out on ice.
If you want to keep having more RC fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can get our notifications.
Guys, if we've ever saved you any money or you just find entertainment value in our videos, then be sure to swing by our Patreon page linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!